Today is the second attempt of trying to record with the drone boss at Villa Bayside Hill. Tricam is helping me with putting the Jeep nicely, and as you can see, today it's very nice weather, so I think everything will go according to plan and everything should go perfectly. So as you can see, it's a beautiful sunny day today. It's also a lot of fun to see the drone boss doing his thing. Right now he's not flying the drone, he's actually taking videos with his camera. I also wanted to give you a quick little sneak peek of what Villa Bayside Hill is looking like right now. Everything is ready for the videos. This is the living room area. Very nice and cozy to watch TV, and this is one of my favorites, the office, with many books to read. Here you can do some billiard boarding, lots of fun. I'm not good at it, but it's still a lot of fun. And then the happy hour destroyer, the jacuzzi. Hey, the bubbles are not on. That's a must. Here, that's better. So nice to relax. I'm gonna sit over here out of his way because he's gonna get his drone right now. And I think it's so cool because he's gonna be flying inside of the house, through the house, and then outside by the pool, and then far away. And I think it's such a cool way to show not only a tour of the house, but also where your house is located. So I'm so excited to see how he does that.
Dat was echt een lange route.
Ah, cool. Dat ding maakt veel geluid, hè?
Ja, klopt.
Maar hoe ging het?
Ja, goed. Het was wel echt veel wind, maar ik heb alles laten lukken.
Cool. We had a lunch break and now we're at the next property, Sunshine Bay. And what are we gonna do now?
We're going to do the next one.
Nice. Ready for it?
Definitely. Let's go.
Look, and here it's also a beautiful view of the sea, and he's gonna fly out. For sure you're also gonna see the sloop, so I'm really looking forward to it.
Sunshine reggae. Don't worry, don't hurry. Take it easy. Sunshine reggae.